Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to guide you step by step on how to delete blank lines and unnecessary spaces inside a file using a single command in Linux, which is called sed. Do not worry if you are new. I will explain each part clearly so you can follow along easily. So without wasting any more time, let us jump right in. Let us begin by opening the terminal. You can press Ctrl plus Alt plus T on your keyboard or search for terminal in the start menu, which is right over here. Once you open your terminal, we will first navigate to the folder where your file is located. Let us say your file is inside the Documents folder. Run this simple command. In this command, cd stands for change directory, which means it moves us into the Documents folder. Here you can enter whatever folder you have the file in. Simply write that folder name here, then press enter. Now let us see what is inside the folder before we clean it. Run this command to view the file content. You can find all the commands in the description box below. In this command, cat stands for concatenate and display, meaning it prints the content of the file test.txt, which I have already created in the Documents folder. As you can see, there is a file called test.txt. Make sure to rate your own file name. I am using this as an example. Now hit enter. You should see an output like this one because it is inside the folder. As you can see, there is no extra space or line added. Let us modify the text document and add a space or line. Now save it, then run the command again. This time you can see there are added spaces between two words. If you also have blank spaces like these in your document, use this command to remove all empty lines. So what is going on in this command? First, sed is a stream editor, and this command tells it to delete lines that are completely empty. This is your original file. Change this name to your file's name, and the result is saved as a new file called clean.txt. Now press enter. After that, a new file should have been created in the Documents folder. Let us go there. As you can see, a new file named clean.txt has appeared. To view the file and check if it has been cleaned, open it from the Documents folder or paste this command and press enter. This will show the changes as you can see here. If you also want to remove extra spaces at the beginning or the end of each line, you can use this command as shown here. This command trims spaces and tabs from both ends of each line. The clean result is saved again into clean.txt. Hit enter, and the file will be cleaned again, and a new file will be created in the Documents folder. So lastly, if you are happy with the clean file, you can replace the original file by running this command. In this command, mv is the move command. We are moving clean.txt to test.txt, replacing it completely. Press enter and it is done. Now go to the Documents folder and open test.txt. As you can see, there is no more clean.txt. That is it. Your text file should now be clean and free of blank lines or extra spaces. I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and take care.